Dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. You can, if you have any mathematical doubts or queries, so please feel free to contact us via this contact details. That means our contact number. You can WhatsApp on it also, and if you have any queries, so you can drop an email to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Okay. So please feel free to contact. Okay, then after that we can arrange an out clearing session for you, or we can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, online classes, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, entrance examinations, etc. Okay, so please feel free to contact us. So now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the ISI MTech QROR MCQ section, and the question is telling us that let S be the set of all continuous functions f from close 0 open infinity, okay, to R, that means R plus, that means our domain is R plus union that singleton 0. Okay, satisfying the equation is integral 0 to x ft dt equals to fx minus 2 for all x greater than 0. Then there are four options. That means our option A is telling us that S is an infinite set. Option B is telling us that S has exactly one element. C is telling us that S is a finite set containing more than one element. And option D is telling us that S is the empty set. Okay. So after that, what can be done here? So we are given the functional equation, which is this integral 0 to x s ft dt, that is equals to fx minus 2 for all positive x. Okay, so now we need to analyze the set S of all continuous functions which is running from closed 0 open infinity to R that satisfy these equations. Okay, so now we are going to differentiate both the sides. So what we will get, so we are differentiating both sides with respect to x. Yeah. So that will be d dx of 2, and we'll know that this is 0, so that is not a thing here. So we will get fx, that is equals to my fx dash. Okay, so we have got this thing. So after that we can say that then our solution will be what? In this case we can write that our fx, that means f dash x by fx, that will be 1, and if we integrate both, that means f dash x dx by fx, and let it be 1 dx, then what will happen? Then we will get ln, sorry, ln fx equals to x, and let us take that is equals to plus ln c. So then we will get uh, e to the power ln fx, that will be e to the power x plus ln c, and we know that e to the power ln c is equals to c, so we will get fx equals to c e to the power x, and our c is the arbitrary constant here, we can see that. So now after solving the differential equation, the standard first order linear differential equation, whose general solution is this, we know that. So our general solution is fx equals to c e to the power x, and for some constant c. So now we are going to apply the functional equation here. So we are going to substitute this to the given equation. Then what we will get? Okay. So then 0 to x integral c e to the power t dt, that is equals to c e to the power x minus 2. So then we will get c e to the power x minus 1 equals to c e to the power x minus 2. So we will get c e to the power x minus c, that is equals to c e to the power x minus 2. So we can see that our c is equals to 2. So our fx is what? So our fx is equals to 2 e to the power x. So only we are getting this thing, that means the unique function that is satisfying the given all the conditions. Okay. So since we found exactly one function that satisfied the equation, the set S contains exactly one element. Thus the correct answer is our option B, which is telling us that our S has exactly one element. So that is the correct answer of this question. Hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical doubts, queries or anything, please feel free to contact us via these contact details, so you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Okay. Thank you, guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.